Squad. So I'm going to do a review on my Chanel boy bag today. I've had it for I think around 8 to 9 months, so you know the box is a little bit older, has a little bit of dust, but I wanted to show you guys how the bag looks like. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So when you open the box, it actually comes with a bag that you can store the bag in, a bag in a bag. It just says Chanel, and then it has the lady at the front, and so the bag is inside. And this is the bag right here. Sorry about the lighting, but yeah, so this is the bag itself. Super cute bag. Love it so much. Super lightweight, a good amount. It's not super light, but it's lightweight enough, so that's how it looks like. Super cute bag. But yeah, so this is the bag itself. Really cute. Has the Chanel detailing, and has the gold gold strap. And you know, you can wear it either like this way. It has a leather on the top. You can wear it like this, or you can bring it up and kind of just have it like that. Super chic, super cute. Yeah, I love this bag. Very classy, beautiful bag. And yeah, so let's open it up. So a lot of people are not like, I don't know if everyone would know how to open this bag, but basically how you open it is you just take 2 fingers like this and you press down and then pull up. And then obviously you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see that it has a little bit of scratch marks because I've worn this bag a couple of times. There's even one of my Nordstrom perfume samples in here. That's pretty funny. But yeah, so inside it's pretty simple. Looks like that. Nothing too crazy. One extra pocket there for like ID, and then the rest is just a spot to put, you know, a space to put your stuff. Very cute. Inside it says Chanel. On the ticket you guys won't see it because it's all black. But yeah, super cute. If you just press down, it locks again. Yeah, so it just looks like that. I really like this bag. I think it's really high quality, super cute, super fashionable, and simplistic. It's just a really nice bag to add to your collection. And you know, it really works with any outfit. Just because that's why I like black bags, because it kind of just goes with everything. So yeah, so let me just give you guys a 360 of this bag. And yeah, sorry about the lighting. There's a lot of sunlight coming through, so everything looks lighter, but it's a deep black and a deep gold basically. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, HII DBRIGHT Squad, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next bag review. Bye.